This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
That is in connection with North 24 Parganas?
Yes, North 24 Parganas order is at least 212, if I am not mistaken, WP number, Saurabh Sangh's region.
You have annexed this order.
Your Lordship, annexed 25712, your Lordship is...
Saurabh Nosko.
Saurabh Nosko.
Court is considering Kakoli Mondol along with batch of matters. Saurabh Noskor is in connection with Howrah.
Yes, Howrah matters.
Paragraph 13 is relevant.
13 and 14.
Application.
All application for addition of party, affirm 24.
Now, against this, whether this order was recalled.
No, my order is not recalled.
Not 24 Pargana. Forget about other district. Not 24 Pargana was not recalled.
Lordship, my order.
Against this, an appeal was preferred.
Lordship,
where is that order?
Lordship, I am giving.
In Somanisa.
Division.
Committee 1180 of 2024.
Yes, Justice Bosa.
Tomini Shaha.
Yes.
Tomini Shaha.
Now, appeal was preferred against by the state against the order of passed by the coordinate bench on 25th April in Kakoli Mondol. What was the fate of this appeal?
Division bench, Lordship.
Yes. No, in division bench order dated 26 November 2024, it was observed that we are informed that the order dated April 25 passed in Kakoli Supra is under challenge by the state and such appeal is pending.
That appeal, Lordship. Here the Lordship, I am not prefer any appeal, Lordship. State also not prefer any appeal.
Against this order, SLP was preferred.
Yes, Lordship, I am giving.
Yes, just it is there.
Here, Lordship, second Lordship.
Kakoli Mondol has been affirmed by the after dismissal of the SLP, after dismissal of the appeal. Special leave was granted and appeal was dismissed.
But may I submit? But after the order passed by the Honorable Coordinate Bench in Kakoli Mondol, Malat, a list was published by the Council Malat, of writ petitioners who are proposed to be given appointment in connection with selection process of 2009, wherefrom it appears, Malat, certain candidates who has got lesser merit than the petitioners were given appointment. That we have challenged that selection, that process of the
25th May 2025, this writ petition was filed.
Yes,
I will not permit to unsettle the settled
so,
position.
In 2025, Malat, it has been published, Malat. In 2024, it has been published, Malat. And the Honorable Coordinate Bench has directed the in connection with the similar matter to file report, Malat, where the Council has filed the report and the matter is pending before my lord. In the case of Safina Parveen, Malat. But a lesser meritorious candidate than the petitioners have been given appointment, my lord. But all the candidate who has got 11.12 has been given appointment. All the petitioners who have got higher marks than the candidates, my lord.
My second point is, Lordship, panel was published, Lordship, 10th February 2021. That, Lordship, after 1 year, Lordship, he is the expired one, Lordship, 9th February 2022.
Panel published on?
Published on 10th February 2021, Lordship. And
2021.
2021, Lordship.
Expired on?
9th February 2021, Lordship. A petitioner name in the panel is not there, Lordship.
Panel was published on 8th February 2021.
10th February 2021.
And expired on 9th February 2022.
1 year, Lordship. After 1 year.
That is in connection with 2009 selection.
Yes. There are the petitioner name is not there, Lordship, in the panel, successful panel.
I have some submissions. Kindly see, it was published on the 24th of June, 2024. 2024. It was published.
But in case of Howrah, it was recorded in 2009. Panel was prepared in 2014 and same expired in 2015.
Howrah was prepared.
Howrah is another thing. Howrah is a division bench passed the order. Howrah is only for the Lordship, only for the Malda and Lordship, not 24.
10th February 2021 and 9th February 2022.
This paragraph 10, Lordship, page 30. Page 30, paragraph 10.
Only this one. Insofar as North 24 Parganas is concerned, the documents annexed to the petition reveals that it was published on the 24th of June 2024. And Milord, we also have documents to show that person securing 11 marks has been favored with an appointment as against.
At this stage, I will not permit to open this issue since the panel expired. Sorry, and the division and the single bench has fixed the date.
Milord, please.
Sorry, Mr. It is too late in the day. Writ petition is filed by the candidates who are seeking consideration of their candidature in connection with 2009 selection process for appointment of primary teachers in the district of North 24 Parganas. So, it is submitted that since posts are lying vacant, petitioners being eligible candidates are required to be considered for appointment in connection with 2009 selection process. So, it is also submitted that less meritorious candidates were favored with appointments which confers right upon the petitioners to be considered in the said selection process. Direction prayer is made for issuance of mandamus for giving direction upon the concerned respondent authorities to make further exercise in order to appraise the candidature of the petitioners for filling up the posts of primary teacher from the pool of vacancies attached to 2009 selection process. Stop. Next paragraph. Such prayer made on behalf of the petitioners is opposed by the learned advocates representing District Primary School Council North 24 Parganas and state respondents. Stop. It is submitted the issue is no more res integra in view of the order passed by a coordinate bench dated 25th April 2024, passed on batch of matters, first one being WPA 20966 of 2022 within bracket Kakoli Mondol and others versus the state of West Bengal and others. Close bracket. Stop. It is also submitted that decision of Kakoli Mondol Supra was questioned before the Honorable Division Bench in connection with one intra-court appeal being MAT 1180 of 2024, but the order dated 25th April 2024 was not interfered with, which prompted some candidates to prefer one SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court, being special leave petition within brackets civil diary number S9112/2025 within bracket Indrani Goldar and others versus state of West Bengal and others. Honorable Supreme Court video order dated 21st February 2025 dismissed special leave petition. So, it is also submitted, next paragraph, it is also submitted on similar facts and circumstances. This court has passed order in case of Howrah this court has passed a order. In case of Howrah District Primary School Council, which covers the issue involved in this writ petition. In case of this court has passed order in case of Howrah District Primary School Council in on a writ petition being WPA 10790 of 2025 within bracket Ashok Kumar Pramanik versus the state of West Bengal and others, comma, which covers the issue involved in this writ petition. Next paragraph. Having considered the respective submissions made on behalf of the parties, this court finds that in the order dated 25th April 2024 passed by the coordinate bench in Kakuli Mondol Supra, it was specifically observed taking note of order dated 9th April 2024 passed in WPA 3268 of 2015 within bracket Sourabh Noskor and others versus state.
Of some relevance.
That all candidates who were called for interview in 2009 selection process and who filed writ petitions until 24th April 2025 shall be entitled to appointments against existing or future vacancies. Stop. It was also observed in paragraph 14 that all applications for addition of parties affirmed until 24th April 2024 needs similar consideration. Stop. Order passed in Kakuli Mondol Supra was challenged or was tested in one intra-court appeal being MAT 1180 of 2024, and the Honorable Division Bench, while dismissing said appeal, affirmed the directions as contained in Kakuli Mondol Supra. Stop. Matter travelled before the Honorable Supreme Court, resulting in dismissal of special leave petition being Special Leave Petition Civil Diary Numbers 9112-2025. Video order dated 21st February 2025. Stop. Next paragraph. In view of aforesaid settled position concerning recruitment, concerning selection process of 2009, in 2009, which is being considered in connection with North 24, in connection with District of North 24 Parganas, this court finds that it is not open to this court to consider candidature of those candidates or to consider candidature of those candidates / participants in the same selection process who filed writ petition after 24th April 2025. 24th April 2024. 24th April 2024. In the present case, writ petition was instituted on 25th April 2025, which is long after the cut-off date fixed by the coordinate bench in Kakuli Mondol Supra. Next paragraph. It needs to be recorded herein that the panel in respect of North 24 Parganas in connection with 2009 selection process was published on 10th February 2021 and same extinguished on 9th February 2022 after expiry of 1 year. Stop. It is straight law that after expiry of the panel, right of the candidates to be considered in connection with a particular selection process is withered away. Stop. In this regard, reliance is placed on the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court reported in 1996 9 SCC, State of Uttar Pradesh and others versus Harish Chandra and others, and another reported in 2009 to SCC 706, Girdhar Kumar Dadhich and another versus State of Rajasthan and others. Very recently, Justice Rishikesh Rai has also passed an order in connection with appointment of primary teachers. Same issue.
It is reported in 25/5 SCC.
Stop. Next paragraph. Therefore, in view of aforesaid discussion, no relief can be granted to the petitioners at this stage. Hence, writ petition stands dismissed. Urgent accepted.
Lord sir, my only one point, Lord. Yes. My Lord sir, review, Lord sir, that only my some. Otherwise, Lord sir, prefer an appeal, Lord sir. My point is review, Lord sir. That give me one, Lord sir. My submission is.
My Lord has relied upon me, Lord, this judgment of which they have sought for review.
That Lord sir, Kakuli Mondal review.
Now, my Lord, unless your Lordship holds that the review is not.
That's Lord sir, Kakuli Mondal review. That Lord sir, my point will.
Next matter.